well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going through the Lush Father's Day spoilers for 2023. I can't quite believe it either, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this year, we're already in February, like what is even happening? But anyway, today's video we're going to be going through the spoilers. If you don't want to see any spoilers, now is your notice to step out of this video and go and watch one of my others, because this range I'm so excited to share with you. I actually haven't really looked much into it. I've only seen the like thumbnail of the spoilers, which you guys know I get from lush.scents on Instagram every single time. So yeah, we're going to go through them together. You're going to get my authentic reactions and first impressions. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first product that's being released for Father's Day is Big Bang Create Your Own Universe Fun, which is intergalactic scented. I love intergalactic. For me, it reminds me of the big Lush Oxford Street grand opening, because that was just when I first smelt it, and it just brings back so many memories. I'm really excited, and I'm actually really impressed that we have quite a few products for the Father's Day range this year, especially having a fun. I feel like they've really kind of gone to town, because I'm not gonna lie, previous years' Father's Day ranges have been diabolical. I feel like they're really half-assed. They never release much in terms of options either. It's always like a bath bomb, a shampoo bar, a shower gel, and like a bubble bar or something, and that's kind of it. And I feel like this year they've gone to town. So you guys need to wait and see what we've got. But the shower gel, the fun we have, it is £9.50, intergalactic scented, and has gold stars inside. Love it. Let's move on. Next up we have Out of This World Bath Bomb, which is Nevermind the Ballistic scented. I used to love this scent so much. It came out for a Christmas, I think, and it was yellow, and it had like a little reddish pink kind of bath oil half. It was so good. I loved the smell of that. I can't even really describe it. I think, was it really citrusy, really like sour? Anyway, I remember I loved it. This is a really cute bath bomb. I absolutely love the design of this. I think they've really put in a lot of effort, and it's like a little spaceman and he's waving. I really like that a lot. And price wise, that one is £5, so I feel like I definitely need to pick one of those up because that is adorable. Next up we have the shower gels slash shower spheres for the range, and again, similarly for Mother's Day, we had this issue where it really annoys me, because in the UK and in Ireland we get the spheres, but everywhere else in the world gets the bottled shower gels. Now tell me, what is this about? Does anyone actually know the reasoning for this? Because it breaks my heart, because I will not buy the spheres, because it is £15 for 25 spheres, which is 25 showers, which means that's like not even a month's worth of shower. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I just feel like it just really grates me, and I don't know why. But the spheres are £15 for 25, as I've said, and the shower gels are in euros again, so it's €9 for 100 grams, €18 for 250, and 30 for 500. And it's the Fresh Ass scent, which says it was the same smell as Rad Dad. It's just a rename. So there's that. Not that excited about it. Won't buy it because I just cannot get on with the spheres. I don't like them, my opinion, but a little bit gutting, but let's move on. Next we have a soap, and this is the Big Moon soap, which is Space Girl scented. Can we get a high five for Lush for finally like going out of the comfort zone for dad smells? Because I feel like not all men, I mean it's not all men anyway, but you know what I mean, like that smell. Like we need a more diverse scent range in the Father's Day range. Anyway, that is the Big Moon soap. It's £6 each, I guess, for 100 grams. I'm gonna have to get that. I'm not even a big solid soap kind of gal, but that's gonna smell good. So there's that one. I'm so excited. Next up we have Life's a Beach Shower, which is vanilla scented. I have had this before. I think this was released in boxes years ago, because I did get one when I worked there, so it was a very long time ago. And then we got some in a Fresh and Flowers box quite a while ago, or was it in a kitchen box? Might have been in a kitchen box actually, I can't quite remember. But this is, yeah, vanilla scented like I said, and there is no current price. I guess it depends on how they decide to package it. Are they going to do it in a box, in a tub, in a bag? Who knows? But there is that one. We also have Candy Wash Shower, which is creamy candy scented. Again, love that they've kind of come in with the sweet scents, especially for some people that like those kind of smells. Not everyone wants a masculine kind of smell, you know what I mean? Price wise for that one, we don't have one either, so I guess again it depends on if they're going to do it in a box, in a pot, in a bag and that kind of thing. Next up, moving on to gift sets. The first one we have is Into the Wild, and in this gift set we have Lake's Bath Bomb Fresh as Shower Gel in the 100-gram bottle. So if you do really want the bottle of the shower gel, you can get it in this gift set. We have Cosmetic Lad Moisturiser, which is only the 10-gram pot, so it's quite small, and Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub, and price-wise that is £25. And the second gift set we have is Out of This World, which is £13, and inside this one we have Intergalactic Bath Bomb and Out of This Mind Bath Bomb. So I'm not gonna lie, I feel like that gift set is a little bit, I don't know, I'm not too impressed with that, simply because I feel like what is the point in having 2 bath bombs in one gift set that smell the same? I feel like we could have done a little bit more with that, maybe put in the fun bar, or maybe have had like the shower gel. I don't know, I just feel like it's a little bit blah. Do you know what I mean? Like, they both smell the same, so kind of what's the point, you know? And lastly, for this range, we have 3 knot wraps. Personally, I'm not that into knot wraps. When I worked there, I actually really enjoyed the silk knot wraps. I liked putting them in my hair. Have I worn them since I've worked there? No. So I feel like I probably won't be purchasing the knot wraps, but if you love a good knot wrap, we have By the Campfire knot wrap, which looks like a really beautiful like navy with loads of moons and stars and like that kind of thing on it, with like trees and a fire in the middle and some little tents. It actually looks quite cute, but again, like, what would I use that for? You know what I mean? Price wise, that one, again, we don't have a price for that one, so it's probably just going to be like a standard knot wrap price, I would imagine. Then we have the Bugs knot wrap. Not a fan, don't really like insects. That one is a no-go for me. And lastly, we have Croc and Roll Locta wrap. Have I pronounced that right? Oh, it's like little, oh, I love that. It's crocodiles playing instruments. I love that, that's really cute. Again, I won't purchase it because I have no use for it, but that is actually really cute. And it says Punk is Dad on his shirt. That's so funny. But yeah, that's the last product. So that is the entire Father's Day range for 2023. Love it. So those are all of the products for the Lush Father's Day range for 2023. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. Personally, I feel like I've got some really good points and some really bad points about this range. The bad points about this range, I feel like really we could do with a bubble bar, personally, and also I feel like just give us the shower gels in the bottles, because I feel, I mean, personally, I don't need any more shower gels. I have far too many Lush shower gels as it is. My collection is horrific. However, we don't all want the spheres, and also, why is it just the UK and Ireland that get the spheres, you know? Annoys me. But anyway, that's my kind of bad points. The good points, I really like the range, I like the items, I like that we have more than 3 products for a change, and I really like the scent range. I feel like we've got a really good mix of kind of like sweet and kind of, I was going to say savoury, but no, sweet, fresh, kind of more non-dad smells. So I love that. So yes, as I said, please leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts, opinions. Are you going to be buying anything from this range? I would love to know. And if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do. It would absolutely make my day, and I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers this year. So yes, if you haven't done that, please make sure you do. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.